National President ng National People's Party NPP bat Menteri Rangba ke Jela Meghalaya Konrad Kisangma haka arpu artrek cumang arjar fulai ula kli ke jingïalang National Executive Committee ke parti ha Constitution Club of India New Delhi ha jingïalang lawan bayi donlang rigit khot ke parti na ke Jela Assam Arunachal Pradesh Manipur Mizoram Chhattisgarh Jharkhand, Karnataka, Gujarat, dan Uttar Pradesh. Kinong elam ka parti na galengi jela kila aikai fot alar kecing pengkre yagi election MP Lok Sabha bakumju ke election MLA ke jela Mizoram. Nalor kini la penlong ru kecing elang pun ke buromi ki MLA ke parti ki badang sucop shen na election na Meghalaya, Nagaland, dan Manipur. Ke parti kelas shem ke rai ban trei nang bentak songsuk songsain hak jela Manipur ke baladon na pedeng kecing kan ad omsnam hak hindiat tiyau beladem.
We have felicitated the MLAs who had won in the previous election or the recent election that was held in Meghalaya and in the state of Nagaland and the previous year which was held in Manipur. As you're aware, the National People's Party is one of the 6 nationally recognized national parties in the country. The National People's Party is also the only national party from the region of the northeast part of India. It is also one of the only parties which is made up of the states which are from the northeast India. The National People's Party has been a party which was started by late P. S. Sangmaji, and based on his ideologies and his vision, we have moved the party forward. And today, with his guidance and his blessings, we have achieved the goal of becoming a national party in the country today. The National People's Party has always worked for the overall benefit and the overall upliftment of indigenous people in the state and in the country. We discussed about the future coming elections also, and we have taken reports from different political parties, from different state units of the political party on how we should move forward. And based on that, the party is strategizing on how we will fight the next assembly elections and also the next Lok Sabha election. That we are able to bring back peace in Manipur, and we've also resolved that as a political party, we will do whatever possible from our side to help in ensuring that peace comes back and also help in the overall humanitarian works that are going on in terms of all the difficulties that people are facing. Our party leaders and our workers are working tirelessly to ensure that we are able to help and support the people of Manipur in these difficult times.